And everybody give me a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check. No, I'm not. I'm not late. Well, not today. Not today. And here we are, right? Give me a second, everybody. So we need to fibs, we need the Fibonacci's, right? And we need the manual. And some of you are saying that you are not receiving the free ebook, that on the website it doesn't work, so I need to check. Thanks for the information. Nonetheless, this is the ebook, the little book of trading secrets, and I believe we are ready to go, right? Ready to go. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you on YouTube and other streaming platform. Welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto course 101. Yes, that's for beginner traders. Remember, everybody, trading is a learnable skill. When you learn in the correct way, what's the goal? To bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. Hello, Alexander, how are you? Alexander, you didn't answer to me. Alexander, we started the course without you. Anyway, no big deal. We're going to have next time too, right? And everybody, again, please visit the website fxbossfx.com if you want the free ebook. Even though some of you are sending me emails that, oh, there is no pop-up, so I need to check. And if you want the manual, everybody, free manual, please send me an email, right? Send me an email to the Gmail. Okay, and never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And yes, some of you sent me an email. What about the Forex course 202 promotion? And give me a second. All right, everybody. So this is fast track. Now this is the promotion for the Black Friday. All right. Monthly payment for 2024 it's $450 if you live in the USA or Canada or Australia, or 450 euros if you live in Europe. Okay, for 6 months payments you have 30% off. For 12-month payments you have 50% off. Okay, everybody, this is the offer for the Black Friday. And today we have how to adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. Alright, so let's get to work. And in the meantime, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair you want to check. And in the meantime, also, let's relearn what we have learned so far. So the original Fibonacci, we use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. Number 2, we compare trend direction from the larger time frame to the lower time frame. And number 3, the last thing we need to identify is in what zone are the Fibonacci's on the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. And the number 3, it's called alignment. All right. Rule for high probability trades: we should always enter in extensions and in the same direction. All other trades are low probability trades. Things to remember: the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. The Fibonacci is stronger than the trend line. You want to buy or sell the capital C and profit take at the capital D, and you find the capital C using the Contrarian Fibonacci. Alright, so far so good. Then we learned, we are still learning the Contrarian Fibonacci. We use the Contrarian Fibonacci to, number one, trade retracements, which is risky, and number two, to find the capital C, the confirmed C of the original Fibonacci. Trading rules: until the sub-D extension of the Contrarian Fibonacci is still inside the AB boundary, right? So what is this? We're talking about GBP USD, right? Last time. So until the, so this is HB, until the sub-D extension of the Contrarian Fibonacci, alright, is still inside the AB boundary. So let's make it like what, red maybe, and red and like dotted line, something like this, maybe bigger. Alright, so until the sub-D extension, this one is still inside the AB boundary, talking about capital A and talking about capital B, yes, of the original Fibonacci. Alright, so until the sub-D extension of the contour, see everybody, it's different colors, right? Until the sub-D extension is still inside the AB boundary, then whatever you do, it's going to be 50%. Alright, you're entering 50% rates, in the sense that the market can go up and then reverse, and it can go into a deeper retracement. But if you can find the Contrarian Fibonacci with the sub-D extension above or below the capital A, then this C, it's what it's called the confirmed C, and you are entering 80% probability trades, in the sense that the market is going to start gravitating from C to D and it's not going to go back. In between it can do anything it wants, alright, but with the confirmed C, the market tends to go to the D in different ways, right? Why is that, boss? Because the original Fibonacci is stronger than the Contrarian Fibonacci, right? That's why when you have the sub-D below the A, one or two things are going to happen. So number one, or the Contrarian is going to hit the sub-D and break the capital A, or the market is going to reverse and break the Contrarian Fibonacci. Hello Sam, how was the session with Douglas and Heraldo today? Was okay the session? Was the session okay, Sam? Alright everybody, so number two, if you can find the Contrarian Fibonacci with the projected sub-D extension above or below the capital A of the original Fibonacci, you are entering 80 to 85% probability trades. When you find the capital C, your stop loss should go 10 to 100 pips above or below the capital A of the original Fibonacci, and you take profit should go 10 to 100 pips above or below the capital D of the original Fibonacci, so in front, right? The most important is number 4. When you find the capital C, you should check the trend direction from the larger time frame and compare it to the lower time frame prior to entering the trade, and this is called alignment. Alright everybody? When you have the 4 Fibonacci's aligned, those are the highest probability trades. Number 5, the last thing you need to do is to identify in what zone are the Fibonacci's on the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. Rule: to make money for high probability trades, we should always enter in extensions and in the same direction. All other trades are low probability trades. Things to remember, it's the same. It was excellent. Perfect, then I'm going to let them do it, you know, so I can have some free time. Everybody, you're going to learn the confirmation Fibonacci, but this is one relevant slide too if you want to take a screenshot, everybody. How to use the 3 Fibonacci's, things to ponder. All rules apply to all Fibonacci's and on all time frames. What is meant by Sam, you're asking questions that you should not ask. What is meant by the zone? Extension, retracement, extension. You've learned this. Everybody, you've learned this. What are the zones? Number 2, every Fibonacci can have the contrarian Fibonacci and the Fibonacci to confirmation. Yes, also the contrarian Fibonacci can have a contrarian Fibonacci. If not, how are you going to find the capital C or confirmed C of the contrarian Fibonacci and the Fibonacci to confirmation? Alright, everybody? So what does this mean? We are using the contrarian Fibonacci to trade retracements, and we said this is risky, right? So this is an example of, we have the contrarian Fibonacci on the chart, we have the sub A, sub B, sub C, and we have the sub D, and you can measure, you know, the contrarian Fibonacci on the contrarian Fibonacci to find, oh, is this a confirmed sub C, yes or not? Make sense, everybody? You're welcome, Sam. Sam, start writing down the things. It's too much information for your brain. Start writing down. Like every week, oh, where is the class? It's the same time. Do we have a meeting? It's at the same time. Where is the course? At the same time. Sam, everything is scheduled, it's fixed. Sam? Alright? But I know it's a lot of information, so write those things down, Sam. Okay? How to adjust the contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend, alright? So, everybody, can we readjust the contrarian Fibonacci? What's the answer? Yes or no? Type in the chat, everybody. We have the sub A, sub B, sub C. If you want, you can chart sub A, sub B, sub C, and white goes to white. Sub D. Can we readjust the contrarian Fibonacci? Type in the chat, everybody, yes or no. There is no right or wrong anyway. There is no right or wrong. Boss, what about the yen? I'm still shorting it. I'm still shorting the yen. Until it breaks the monthly bands, I'm short. I don't deviate from this mentality, mindset, whatever, concept. Boss, Boss, if you're wrong? Well, you know what you do with the dust? You do like this. You do like this with the dust and you move forward. Everybody, those questions, you don't understand probabilities. There is no right or wrong. And I'm writing a new book. It's called One Trade Means Nothing. One trade means nothing, you know. Alexander says yes. And the answer is no, because the D and the sub D must be a low. Yes, we can, but when the C is confirmed, we have to follow the original Fibonacci. No, both of you, no. No, that's why this picture is here, everybody. All the rules apply to all Fibonacci's and all time frames. The D must be a high or a low. The sub D must be a high or a low. You are going to learn the confirmation Fibonacci. The D must be a high or a low. Or the sub D must be a high or a low. All the rules apply to all Fibonacci's on all time frames. So no, you cannot readjust it yet. Are we clear? Alexander and Sam, type in the chat. Yes, we are clear. You cannot readjust it yet. The market didn't make the low. Oh yes, but there is no yes, but those are the rules. Everybody, let me be blunt with you. 80% of you guys, not everybody, but 80%, you are not making any money with the Fibonacci's because you are not following the rules. You are trying to invent the hot water. Make sense? Those are the rules. Black and white, not subject to interpretation. Okay? Sam, you are asking a strategy question, and again, I know it's a lot of information for you. Poor Sam. Poor Sam. Sam got in the learn how to make big money, and it's about risk. And Sam, we love you, Sam. Sammy, we love you, Sammy. But have a pen and paper, man. It's too much information for your brain. Everybody say me it's a doctor, but it's too much information. Have a pen and paper every time and write down and write down and write down and write down. It's Sam, you're going to get crazy, man. Yes, it's clear. Alright, very good. There is a lot to learn in the advanced course. And this is the reason why we have doctors, lawyers, movie stars. I do have one movie star, I cannot say the name because it's privacy and I signed the contract. And they are not making it. Everybody, you know, good news, bad news. Good news, trading is a learnable skill. Nobody's born a trader. You grow into one, you build yourself into one. You know, that's the good news. What's the bad news? There is a 90% failure rate all around the world. And IQ and professions, pilots, movie stars, quantum, I mean. Alright everybody, we are on AUDCAT daily chart, A, B, and here you have the sub A, the white one, sub B, you have the sub C, and you have the sub D down in here. Can we readjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend? Type in the chat, yes or no. Can we readjust? Type in the chat, yes, we can readjust. We can adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci, or type in the chat, no, not yet, not the time. Not the time yet. What do you think? And Fibonacci, wait, there is right or wrong. Unfortunately, you know, you've been hearing me saying, oh, there is no right or wrong, but talking about the Fibonacci, well, yeah, there are some mistakes. So, there is right or wrong, right? AUDCAT prediction. Well, we can do this. Uptrend line, uptrend line, uptrend line, uptrend line. Not yet, we need to close off the candle. What else? What else? What else? Even if this candle closes, can you readjust the Contrarian Fibonacci? Alexander, no. Very good. Why not? You got it, Alexander. Why not? I'm going to give you a Chivas Regal present if you answer the correct answer. The low has not been at 1618. Applause to Sam! The market didn't hit the sub-D extension yet. Everybody, you need to pay attention on those details. The market didn't hit the sub-D extension. White didn't came to white yet. Alright, everybody? Now somebody is asking for AUD-CAD analysis. Okay? Now as you can see, alright, as you can see, Fibonacci analysis, yes. Projects the extension inside the sub-Fibo. Alexander, this is not relevant to readjusting, but the market must hit the sub-D. Okay, everybody, so AUD-CAD on the monthly chart, the original Fibonacci is down. Can you see the colors is down, capital A, capital B, and here you have the contrarian sub A, sub B, sub C, and up in here this is the sub D. Alright, so what are the rules saying? Is this capital C on AUD-CAD monthly chart, is this C or was this C confirmed at the time being, everybody? Was this C confirmed at the time being? Type in the chat, yes, the C was confirmed, or type in the chat, no, the C was not confirmed. Yeah, it's almost Christmas, right? Time is going in. What is today? Whoa, Black Friday coming up. 18? Is it 18 today? Whoa, whoa, whoa. 1 month and a half, we are in New Year, everybody. 2025 is coming. Whoa, it's quick, right? Sam, yes, it's confirmed. So see, everybody, what happened then? Right, it went down, right? High probability trade. Okay, now we didn't learn the confirmation Fibonacci yet. So far, AUD-CAD, you have the down Fibonacci, capital C. You know, in my humble opinion, this market is in consolidation. Alright, so in my humble opinion, this market is going down like this. Okay, remember, this is no trading or investment advice. We're here to learn. So, you know, yes, it's, yeah, correct, making higher highs, higher lows. Boss, the market's making higher highs, higher lows. Yes, it does. Yes, correct. Alright, everybody, so now whatever we say on the monthly, we're going to see the confirmations or not on the weekly, right? So here you have AUD-CAD weekly chart. The original Fibonacci is down. As you can see, capital A up in here, capital A up in here, and capital B down in here, right? AB, and capital C up in here. Everybody, is this C on AUD-CAD weekly chart confirmed? Type in the chat, yes, the C is confirmed. Now I'm going to get rid of the confirmation Fibonacci. You are going to love the confirmation Fibonacci, everybody. It's a great tool. So you have the A, B, capital C. Is this C confirmed? Yes or no? Boss, this is the same. No, it's not the same. You are looking at AUD-CAD weekly chart right now. AUD-CAD weekly chart. again, in my humble opinion, we are in consolidation. The market could potentially go further up, right? So because, you know, this was the high of consolidation, this was the high of consolidation, here, you know, speculating potentially the market can go one more time up. We're going to see. Hedge fund trader Sam and hedge fund trader Alexander, is this C confirmed? Yes or no? Don't be shy. We don't bite. Yeah, I've said, everybody, we talked about this already. We are going to have classes until December 20th. Okay? Friday, December 20th is the last class in 2024, and then we are going to be back January 13. Okay? What, again, for 1 month of vacation? We deserve it. We deserve it, right? I don't know about you, but we deserve it, you know? We deserve vacation, right? I mean, come on, you know? And Alexander saying no. Very good, everybody. So it's not confirmed, right? The sub-D extension, it's still inside the AB boundary. Okay? Somebody was yelling at me, oh, but it's in an uptrend. Yes, it is. Her highs, her lows. It is in an uptrend. Alright, everybody? So it's going to, we're going to see what is going to happen near the trend line, right? If in the trend line the market reverses on the daily, then this is going to be a signal that potentially the market can go up. If it doesn't, if it breaks the trend line, you know, then this is going to be a signal for the market to go down. And so Fibonacci on the monthly and the Fibonacci on the weekly, are those two aligned, everybody? Is the market on the monthly chart going from C to D? Yes or no? Or is the Fibonacci on the weekly going from C to D? Yes or no? And you can have alignment, like you can say, no, it's not going from C to D on both charts. You can say, yes, they are both going from C to D on both charts. And the third variable, you can say, oh, on the monthly is going from C to D, and on the daily it's not going from C to D. Yes, Sam says the same, not confirmed, very good. Alright, everybody? Now, here is how you lose money. Everybody, do you want to learn how to not to lose? Everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I want to learn how not to lose. Do you want to learn how to lose less? With the Fibonacci's? Understanding what the Fibonacci's? Oh, boss, teach me how to make money. You must learn how to lose less first. Then you can learn how to make. And here it goes. How to lose less. Everybody, you have AUD CAD daily chart, not this one. On AUD CAD daily chart, you have the original Fibonacci pointing up, and we can project, right? We can project that when the market is going to hit the sub D, then this is going to be the Contrarian Fibonacci. Everybody, we can project that So down in here, right, this is going to be the Contrarian Fibonacci, right? What has a greater chance? What has a greater probability? Does the original Fibonacci has a greater chance of the market going to the green because it has a conformity, or does the contrarian Fibonacci has a greater chance of going further down? And think before you answer. Sam, think before you answer. Let's see how smart you are, everybody. And let me help you. Oh, but this is not fair. Let me help you. Alright? All the rules apply to all Fibonacci in all time frames. Every Fibonacci can have the contrarian. Number 3. When comparing larger time frames and smaller time frames, it's possible that the contrarian Fibonacci on the larger time frame is the original and or the Fibonacci, the conformation of the smaller time frame. In other words, the retracement of one could be the extension of the other. The capital D of the original Fibonacci is stronger than all other D's from other Fibonaccis. Number 6. Always remember, if things get complicated, the larger time frame controls the lower time frame, and the market will always go in the direction of the greatest force. Monthly, weekly, daily, 2 hours. Trade only what you understand and what you're comfortable with. Don't try to do everything. Number 8, we love the most. You are going to forget all of this in about 30 minutes. You're going to forget all of this in about 30 minutes. And then it's number 9, the retracement and the extension from the higher time frame. It's more relevant, meaning stronger, than the retracement and extension from the smaller time frames, especially when the market hits the D. Alright, let's make a poll, everybody. How many of you online believe that once the capital C on the daily is confirmed, that you should buy the original Fibonacci on the daily? And how many of you online believe that when the market finds the confirmed C, you should continue short on AUD CAD daily chart? There is no right or wrong on probabilities. What do you think? One trade means nothing. What do you think? Hedge fund trader Alexander, hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Javen, hedge fund trader Douglas, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Date, hedge fund trader Mo, hedge fund trader MHB. Who else is there? What do you think, everybody? Should you buy the original going up, or should you sell the contrarian going down? Date says continue short. You got me thinking. Sammy, come on, Sammy. Dr. Sammy, come on. Come on, Sammy. You've learned in the course that you need to take positions. you need to choose sides. Remember from the Learn How to Make Big Bucks course, the risk course? Why 80 or 90, I didn't know, but let's say 80 to 90% of institutional traders are not driving Lambos, just 20% are. The C is confirmed. It's going down. I'm talking about the daily. How are you going to the daily? What are you going to buy the daily? or are you going to sell the daily? Buy or sell? Hedge fund trader Alexander, buy or sell? Don't be shy, everybody. You're doing this anyway, makes sense? You're trading like this anyway. Don't be shy. What do you think? There is no right or wrong on direction. There is right to, there is wrong if you chart the Fibonacci's in the wrong way. You know, if you have the Fibonacci ABCDs in the wrong way, then yeah, but talking about direction, Alexander says buy. Alright, everybody? Answer. So with the premise that you understand that the market is going to show us what it's going to do, right? The short-term trend near the trend line, but Fibonacci alignments, the direction is short. Okay, everybody? 7 times out of 10, this market is going to push down. Okay? And if it's going to push up, it's going to push up because it's still in consolidation. It didn't reach the band. Make sense, everybody? But the alignments from the monthly and the weekly Fibonacci's are down. But yeah, it's true, you know, we are in this consolidation here, you know. Sell on the daily, the C is confirmed on the original. Why would you sell a confirmed C? This doesn't make any sense. Everybody, yeah, the C is confirmed, sell. If the C is confirmed, you should buy, right? Okay, let's try to find another one. We talked about GBP with the AUD CAD. We have one more, everybody. It's a nice one. NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Give it a second. NZD CAD, everybody. Give it a second, give it a second, give it a second. Yeah, we're going to have the Fibonacci trading week 2. NZD CAD. NZD CAD, where is NZD CAD? And alright. ABCD. I'm not sure if the market broke the A. Did the market break the A? 8613, 8613, and this high was at 8613, and this high was at 8613, 8613, and this high was 86127. So it didn't. It almost did. It almost did. See, everybody? See, everybody here, the A, B, C, AUD CAD daily chart right now. The 4 alignments out, this one, confirmation out. Right? ABCD. This is on the daily, market wave, up market wave. Right? Extension, retracement, extension. And now it's falling, ABCD. So we don't have Contrarian in here, everybody. Not on the daily. Let us check the weekly, maybe. Now we can chart, but you know, now this is the confirmation, out the confirmation. Yes, you can make a lot of money with the Fibonacci of the confirmation. The Contrarian Fibonacci is here. There you go, and Contrarian. Can you see, everybody? Those are high probability trades when they happen. Yes, deep retracement. Everybody, is this capital C confirmed, or was this capital C confirmed? And here was the, so here is still the, I need to delete those. So A, capital A, let's make it black, and capital B is in here, capital C, and green goes to green down here. In about 2 decades, the market the market is going to be down in here, right? Yeah, the market can do anything it wants, up and down, sideways, consolidation. ABCD, ABCD, so down Fibonacci, and give me a second, everybody. Boss, but the market's moving up. You are going to learn in the Fibonacci mastery, everybody. This is why you don't make, it's a skill, alright? Don't get it personal. It's a skill. You got the Fibonacci direction right, that's easy, but then you lose in between in here. Can you see it, everybody? This is where you lose. Make sense? The Fibonacci is there, A, B, but then price action, up and down, consolidation, higher highs, lower lows, pennants, whatever. This is where you lose, because you're trying to invent hot water in here. If you would just let Fibonacci do its own thing, you would make money 7 times out of, not every single time, but 7 times out of 10 on the original Fibonacci on the daily. Okay? Alright, everybody, we have 5 more minutes. So you have 2 weeks. Everybody, you have 2 weeks to take advantage of the Black Friday promotion. So let's start today in here. Advanced Institutional Trader Program, Forex Course 202. So monthly payment, it's $450 or euros or dollars, depending where you live, for 1 hour class per month. And it's wrong, but it's every week, it's not 1 per month. My bad, I wrote in the wrong way. So 6 months payment you have 30% off, and 12-month payment you have 50% off, alright? And I'm sorry, I made them, so it's not 1 per month, it's every week, alright? Not class per month. And don't let 2025 to be just another year. So this is the sentence. Alright, everybody? And you have 3 fast tracks. What are those? Fast track, it's a combo. You got the education plus the account. Alright, fast track 1000. If my face is not in between, you know. With this you get Forex Course 202 group sessions for 6 months, once per week, thanks God. And you get the Darwin X Zero account for 3 months for free. Alright? $1,000 Black Friday, 50% off. Fast track to 50. You get the Forex Course 202 or private or group sessions for 6 months. Once per week. So see, everybody, here is 2, right? Okay, it's once per week, but it's monthly payment. So we are here. Give me a second. You have the Darwin X Zero account for 1 year for free, when you can get funded with real capital. And you have what we did today with Douglas and Heraldo. You get the FX Boss trading desk, 6 months for free. You see me trading live everyday setups, you know, we're posting. Okay, and by the way, Sam, it's in, so you can ask Sam if it's true. You can ask Sam if it's difficult. Sam, give the public a feedback. Would you say it's difficult, the advanced course? I know it's a lot of information, but would you say it's difficult, you know, what we're teaching? And lastly, Fast Track 5000, you get Forex course 2 for 1 year. You get all the extra courses for free. Sam just entered the Learn About Risk course for free, Sam, right? You know, Fibonacci Mastery Index course, Learn How to Hedge as a Pro. That's a difficult one, if I'm honest. Learn how to make big bucks. we are right now, and also or the other. And yeah, we had all how to build a lazy crypto portfolio, everybody. You know, it's all for free. Darwin X0 account for 1 year for free. FX Boss Trading Desk 1 year for free. And the Forex course 2 group call forever. It's all until I die or you die, you know. Alright, everybody, invest in your future once in your lifetime. Why once? Because you have the group call forever. Okay, $5,000, Black Friday, 50% off. Okay, everybody, you have 2 weeks to take advantage if you want. I mean, there is no right or wrong, right? If you can, take advantage. If you can't, well, next year, right? What can we do? I enjoy it, it's very useful, I learn. Well, learning a lot is the account, right? Sammy? Learning, I learn a lot. The money talks. Sammy, money talks. You know? You can be 1 year in the advanced course, and if you earn, if you don't make any money, oh, but I'm learning. You are not learning a lot, believe me. Does this make sense, everybody? You know, you can read books, right? But if you don't change your life, I mean, oh, I've learned. You didn't learn. You got intellectual information. You got intellectual information. You get data. You didn't learn. Alright, everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong. Study the Fibonacci's with the manual. Everybody, study the manual. It's for free. You have the Fibonacci's in the manual. Where is the Contrarian? The original Fibonacci in the Contrarian. The Contrarian. How to adjust the original in a downtrend. The Contrarian. Study the Contrarian, everybody. Trading rules, charting rules. It's all in the manual for free. Okay, everybody, see you tomorrow. This is the boss, signing off.